Are you tired of trading your time for money? What if I told you that you can build passive income streams even if you're a freelancer, a busy solopreneur, or a content creator just starting out? I've tried this myself while raising 3 kids, freelancing, and growing my YouTube channel to 8,000 subscribers. Let's talk about simple passive income ideas that actually work even if you're starting from zero. So when I was still working as an insurance agent, I knew what passive income was, but I didn't know how to build it actually. What they usually taught us was investing in the stock market, which I later realized isn't truly passive. And I even tried Forex, cryptocurrencies, pretty much everything. I actually ended up burning my money. All I knew was if I didn't show up, I didn't earn. And that gets really tiring, especially when you're juggling family, work, and life. So I tried something different. I posted a TikTok video 4 times a week, and my TikTok channel eventually turned into 70K followers. So that one small decision to start creating content became the domino that actually changed everything. So now I want to share with you some simple passive income ideas that I've started building. All right. So passive income idea number 1 is content creation. So this is where it all started. I created personal finance content on TikTok just using my phone to generate leads for insurance. So that was when I was an insurance agent. And then some brands, local brands here in the Philippines, started reaching out. And then I started to explore freelancing. Some startups needed help with content. So I became a freelance content creator, helping SaaS companies, solopreneurs, and small business owners who want to grow on social media. So the best part is content lives forever. In fact, I actually used TikTok as my portfolio when I started freelancing. And my TikTok channel became the portfolio I used to land my freelance clients. So I'm not saying that you get fast results overnight because content creation is a long game. It's not an overnight success. Have to be consistent and committed. It will take long before you get monetized. But once you establish your brand or authority, that will become a real source of income. Passive income idea number 2 is sell digital products. One thing I learned, you don't need 100K followers to sell something valuable. Last May, I uploaded a simple resume template on Gumroad, just 1 page, no flaw. And few people downloaded it, bought it because it solved a real problem. So if you're a digital creator, freelancer, or coach, think about what you've already created that others might need, like templates, checklists, social media planners, content calendars, Notion dashboards. So once it's live, it keeps selling. So that's passive income. Passive income idea number 3 is launched a mini course. I launched my first online course last May. It's about the ultimate guide for freelancing. So that's a course for beginners who'd like to explore freelancing and who want to get started. Why? Because people kept asking me how I started freelancing, what to do, where to apply, everything about freelancing. So courses don't have to be long or complicated. Mine was just around an hour, but packed with real value. So the best part, I only recorded it once. Now it already sells in the background. I used Tella to record my course and then I edited it within the day, launched it 2 days after, uploaded on Udemy. And that's it. I already have an online course. I'll make a video about this step-by-step guide, how I created that online course. So watch out for it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like my content and follow my journey about freelancing, content creation, and solopreneurship. And lastly, my favorite affiliate programs. Yeah, this is actually my favorite passive income stream right now because you don't need to create your own product to start earning. So when you want to skip the course, the digital product that I mentioned, and if you are already creating content and you have an audience, then you just need to learn how to share. As you can see in my YouTube description, those tools there that I'm sharing are affiliate programs. No pressure selling, just sharing what works for me. For example, Tella, Notion, Jupyter for the B-roll. So those are tools that I'm using. And I'm also helping content creators find it so they can get discounts. So that it's a win-win situation for both of us. Okay, so if you're a content creator, this is one of the easiest ways to start, especially if you have a niche and an engaged community. So the takeaway here is you don't need to be perfect. You don't need a huge following. You just need to start. Start what? So there are, what I've mentioned a while ago are the the examples that can start. And that's it. If you want to try some of the tools that I'm using as a freelancer and a content creator, just check out the links below and let me know in the comments which passive income stream are you starting first. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more freelancing tips, content creation, and a whole lot more. See you in the next one. Bye.